In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your microphone is not working in Counter-Strike 2. So the first thing you want to do is select the settings cogwheel in the top left corner, and from here you want to select audio at the top. Then under audio, you want to ensure master volume is turned up, and once you've done that, you can select voice at the top or just simply scroll down to this section. Now you want to ensure other player voice volume is turned up, and once you've done that, you can have a look below. And under voice microphone mode, you want to ensure that this isn't disabled. Rather, you want it on push to talk if you're going to keybind your mic, or you can leave it on open microphone. Now, under voice input audio device, I don't recommend you leave it on default device because if you were to have a webcam, for example, with a mic in it, it may be picking up that one rather than the microphone you want to use. So select the correct microphone from this list below. Now, what you could also do under Hear My Own Voice is toggle this on if you want to test your microphone to ensure it's the quality you're expecting. And once you've done that, you can leave Streamlined Push to Talk turned off. Now, when it comes to setting your microphone trigger threshold, what you want to do is stop talking to pick up the background noise in your room. So I'm going to do that for 1 second. So once you figure out where those bars are, what you want to do is set the slider just above where those bars were. So your microphone isn't going to be triggered from background noise. It's only going to be triggered when you're actually talking. Now, if your microphone's still not working, come to your desktop and you want to select the sound icon in the bottom right corner and you want to right click on it and go to Open Volume Mixer. Once you're here, you want to ensure that the input device is on the correct one. And in addition to that, you want to scroll down under Apps and make sure the volume's turned up on Counter-Strike 2, as well as your main system volume right here. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.